A pair of celebrity deaths this week prompted mental health officials in Niagara County to remind residents that help is available to those who are dealing with depression, addiction or thoughts about suicide.
Following the news Friday morning of the death of celebrity chef Anthony Bourdain, county officials released a reminder about the availability of mental health resources for residents who may be in need.
Bourdain's death has been reported as a suicide. It is the second involving a high-profile personality this week. Fashion designer Kate Spade's body was discovered Wednesday in what was later confirmed as a suicide. Laura Kellyman, the Niagara County's Director of Mental Health, noted that she had read Bourdain's books, which detailed drug and alcohol addiction in addition to culinary world travels.
Even people at the top of their game, and sometimes, especially those people, have to battle addiction, depression, and thoughts of harming themselves, Kellyman said. Our message to our neighbors, to our friends, to people who are struggling, is that there is help, there is hope. The Associated Press reported that Bourdain, the American TV celebrity and food writer, was found dead in his hotel room in France while working on his CNN series on culinary traditions around the world. He was 61.
CNN confirmed the death, saying that Bourdain was found unresponsive Friday morning by friend and chef Eric Ripert in the French city of Strasbourg. It called his death a suicide.
Bourdain achieved celebrity status after the publication in 2000 of his best-selling book Kitchen Confidential: Adventures in the Culinary Underbelly. The book created a sensation by combining frank details of his life and career with behind-the-scenes observations on the culinary industry. It was a rare crossover, a book intended for professional cooks that had enormous mass appeal.
Bourdain went on to achieve widespread fame thanks to his CNN series Parts Unknown, and was filming an upcoming segment for the program when he was found dead, according to CNN.
CNN chief executive Jeff Zucker sent a note to staff saying the circumstances of the death are still unclear but that we do know that Tony took his own life.
Tony was an exceptional talent. A storyteller, a gifted writer, a world traveler, an adventurer. He brought something to CNN that no one else had ever brought before, Zucker said in the letter. This is a very, very sad day. Strasbourg police, emergency services and regional authorities did not immediately have information about the death. Bourdain's assistant Lori Wolever would not comment when reached by the Associated Press. Niagara County lawmaker Becky Whitish, R. Lewiston, who chairs the county's Opioid Addiction/Overdose Strategy Implementation Standing Committee, or OASIS, said Bourdain's death demonstrates how issues like depression and addiction can impact anyone.
They impact the poor and prosperous, the struggling and successful, she said. We want people who are struggling to understand that they're not alone and to get access to the counseling and answers they need to get their lives back on track.
Kellyman urged individuals struggling with issues including suicidal thoughts to consider contacting the county's crisis services phone line or to contact the Department of Mental Health directly. The Crisis Services phone line is available at 716-285-3515 and is staffed 24 hours a day.
The Mental Health Department can be reached at 716-439-7410 during regular business hours.